What if I told you that your enemies could be your greatest assets? Welcome to the world of power dynamics, where leveraging your enemies and friends becomes an art form. In the pursuit of power, trust becomes a weapon, and in the 48 Laws of Power, Law-2 states, never put too much trust in friends, learn how to use enemies. Let's delve into this intriguing concept. This law advocates for cautious trust in friends while being strategic in handling enemies. The book draws upon historical examples where misplaced trust in friends led to downfall, like Caesar's trust in Brutus, which resulted in his assassination. In the corporate world, consider the scenario of a colleague seeking personal gain. Instead of confronting them directly, use their ambition to your advantage by subtly guiding their goals to align with yours. Look at political maneuvering. Politicians may forge alliances with former opponents to gain leverage. For instance, Richard Nixon appointing his adversary, Henry Kissinger, as Secretary of State. Nixon, known for his shrewd political strategies, turned an adversary into a key ally. By appointing Kissinger, Nixon not only neutralized a potential threat but also gained a strategic advantage in foreign policy, leading to the eventual normalization of relations with China. Now, let's explore additional tricks to navigate this law. 1. Selective disclosure. Share limited information with friends and enemies to control their perception and actions. 2. Mastering indifference. Displaying indifference towards enemies can disarm their hostility, making them less predictable. 3. Playing the long game. Sometimes, enemies of today become allies of tomorrow. Plant seeds for future alliances. In the game of power, understanding the dynamics between friends and enemies is pivotal. It's about mastering the art of trust, manipulation, and strategic alliances. Remember, the key is not just to identify friends and enemies, but to adeptly navigate their roles to serve your ambitions. Closing shot with powerful music. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. This script is designed for a single voiceover to deliver the entire content in a coherent and engaging manner.